I come out this morning because I've been trying to do the follow me mode and I keep forgetting about it, so I thought today I'll just do the follow me mode, but you're gonna have to bear with me because I forgot my tripod, so it's only a test thing. So I'm out here now, I've got 10 satellites, I'm using my Samsung Galaxy to see if it makes any difference, because with my Nexus I've actually had the follow me mode, but this is before the couple of updates that we had recently. So I'm just going to give it a go, see what happens. I will make sure I put the video on. So I'm just going to put it, this is going to be a bit awkward this. So I'm going to put this in auto takeoff just to make sure everything's fine.
Point has been up. Take off.
Right, I got the video on. Right, so we've got 10 satellites. What I'm going to do, nice and steady. So I've just given that a go. So I had 10 satellites. When I put it into the follow me mode, this is the right switch down, it kept going from strong to weak, strong to weak, and when I applied it, it just said it was too weak, so it wouldn't do the follow me mode. So I've taken it up to its maximum height, got up to its maximum height, but it went into weak signal, and now it's just return to home, which means auto land. So I'm going to go down the road a bit more and try the Nexus 7, see if that makes any difference. It's getting a bit hot. So speak to you in a moment. Right, okay, I'm out at the next position. I've just put on my Phantom, going into my Nexus 7 now. So we're going to see if this works for the follow me mode. Don't give it much hope. Right, we're sat in the shade because we've had enough. Anyway, we tried the Nexus 7 with the follow me mode. What it said this time was that my Nexus 7 didn't have GPS virtually. So I don't know what's going on there. I mean, it's worked before. Anything I can think of maybe, and it's probably feasible, is that I did an update on my Android Nexus 7 a couple of weeks ago. So maybe it's turned off the GPS setting. So something I've got to check. But the same thing again, I had 10 satellites. Well, I did a different area. Wouldn't do it, obviously, because I didn't have GPS signal at all. So the saga goes on with a follow me mode. Right, this is an update of the update. Now, this might sound a bit confusing, so listen. Right, so I went out the other day to sort out my follow me mode. I went to the first location where I know with my Nexus 7 it worked, but I used my Samsung Galaxy. I got 10 satellites and it kept on going from strong to weak, and it just wouldn't go into the follow me mode. Changed locations, went down this way a little bit more with the Nexus 7, had the same amount of satellites, 10, and it still wouldn't work. Now on the screen something come up, I didn't really take much notice of it, and so not until I got home and looked on the computer, and what it was saying that my Nexus 7 hasn't got GPS anymore. Went to search on Google, and it seems that there's quite a lot of us who's got Nexus 7s and we've got no GPS, which is a bit bizarre because back in January I had it working over that direction on the Nexus 7 with the follow me mode, and also down on the riverbed not far from here, but this is back in January. I don't know what's going on there. So anyway, obviously my Nexus 7 was not going to work at all now on the follow me mode. I mean, everything else works fine on the Nexus 7, it's just the follow me mode. Looks like my Samsung has still obviously got GPS. Didn't work on 10 satellites, so I don't know how many satellites you're going to need now to get the follow me mode to work. It's sort of still ongoing, but I'm not going to keep persevering with it at the moment. I've wasted too much time over this follow me mode now. I just don't know what's going on, and we've had all these new updates as well. That still hasn't seemed to resolve it. I even hear that The Phantom 4's been getting problems as well lately, so I'm just gonna go back to normal flying, but I will keep you posted if anything changes. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and I'll speak to you again soon. Yeah, get up, you old person, you. Come on, Bomb.